Welcome back to the ABCs of Digital Marketing. Today we're diving into the letter P, where we'll explore two game-changing strategies, PPC, which is paid ads, and personalization. These powerful tools work together to drive traffic, boost engagement, and increase conversions. Why paid ads, PPC, can't be ignored? Pay per click. PPC advertising puts your brand right in front where the audience is, whether they're searching on Google or scrolling social media. The best part? You only pay when someone clicks, making it a cost-effective way to generate leads and drive results. Here's why PPC is a game changer. Instant visibility. Get your business at the top of the search result fast. Targeted audience. Reach the right people based on keywords, location, and demographics. Measurable ROI. That's return on an investment. Track clicks, conversions, and fine-tune your ads for better results. Why personalization makes all the difference. Today's audience expect content that speaks directly to them. Personalization tailors to the user experience by delivering relevant content, offers, and recommendations based on the behavior and the preferences. Why personalization is essential? Higher engagement. When content feels personal, people pay attention. Improve conversions. Targeted offers lead to more sales. Stronger relationships. Personalized experiences make the audience feel valued and it makes them feel understood. How paid ads and personalization work together? When you combine PPC with personalization, you create an unstoppable force in your marketing strategy. Here's how. Personalized PPC ads show ads that align with a user's interest or their location. Remarketing magic. Re-engage visitors with tailored ads that remind them what they're missing. Custom experiences. Use data to deliver offers that resonate with different audience segments. Join me on this journey. I'm building a thriving digital marketing community, and I'm looking for accountability partners who are ready to grow and refine their strategies. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale, we're here and we're in this together. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? Head over to www.nbtotheA.com and let's make it happen. We are sprouting to success around here.